Hello students, welcome back to Sir Rasayan. In my previous video, I have explained some organic conversions. In this video also, I will explain some organic conversions from previous year's board exam. First one is phenol to acetophenone. Another one is chlorobenzene to acetophenone. Now see the structure of acetophenone and think about the structure of phenol. This is phenol. Or this is chlorobenzene. In benzene, one Cl atom is there. So what we have to do? Here we have to insert two carbon atoms. Means stepping up we have to do. So first I am starting with chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. You have to write the name here. Then what you have to do? You have to treat it with sodium hydroxide. Heat it with this temperature and pressure. So here nucleophilic substitution reaction will take place under vigorous condition, because you know in benzene itself pi electron density is there. So nucleophilic attack forcefully you have to do. So we will get here O minus Na plus. This is sodium phenoxide. Then what we have to do, if you treat this with, this is sodium salt. So if you treat it with acid HCl, you will get phenol. So from this one, second conversion, you have to start from here. For first conversion, you can start from here only, phenol. Now, you know, if you heat it with zinc dust, what will happen? Removal of zinc oxide will take place, ZnO, and reduction of phenol gives benzene. Now, we have to insert two carbon atoms. If we are doing Friedel-Crafts alkylation with CH3Cl, anhydrous aluminium chloride, only CH3 group will be inserted here. But we need CH3CO. So what we have to do? We have to do Friedel-Crafts acylation with acyl chloride CH3COCl, Cl, and anhydrous aluminium chloride. You have to heat it. You will get this is your acetophenone. So this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next conversion is phenol to parabenzoquinone. Take phenol, you have to oxidize it with sodium dichromate in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. You will get parabenzoquinone. One step conversion. Many other methods are there to get parabenzoquinone. I am mentioning all those. Suppose you are having quinol. This is quinol. Or you can say hydroquinone. If you oxidize it with sodium chlorate, NaClO3, in presence of sulfuric acid and B2O5 vanadium pentoxide, benzoquinone. If you are having This is benzene 1,4,1,4 diamine. If you oxidize it with potassium dichromate sulfuric acid, you will get parabenzoquinone. So several methods are there, and here starting compounds are different but product is same. Which one is ethylamine? CH3 CH2 NH2. This is primary amine. If you treat it with nitrous acid, means how you will get nitrous acid? NaNO2 HCl. You will get ethyl alcohol. Now if someone will ask you convert ethyl alcohol to ethylamine, what you will do? You take this one CH3 CH2 OH. If you treat it with PCl5, you will get chloroethane. Chlorination will take place. Now you will get this one. So OH will be substituted by Cl. Now if you treat this with ammonia, alcoholic ammonia, so what will happen? CH3 CH2 Cl plus ammonia, removal of HCl will take place. You will get CH3 CH2 NH2, that is ethylamine. So this is ethylamine to ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol to ethylamine. Next one is how to convert phenol to toluene. You know phenol means this one, and in toluene what is there? With benzene, one CH3 group is there. So we have to do stepping up. How we will do? You know phenol, if you treat it with zinc powder, if you heat it, what will happen? If you heat phenol with zinc dust, by removal of zinc oxide, what you will get? Reduction will take place. You will get benzene. Now if you do Friedel-Crafts alkylation using CH3I, anhydrous is very important, you know, aluminium chloride. So by Friedel-Crafts alkylation, you will get toluene, one carbon atom extra. This is toluene. All those are from board question only. If someone will ask you convert benzene to phenol, how you will do? Take benzene, do sulfonation with fuming sulfuric acid, you will get benzene sulfonic acid. You should write all the name. Once again I am telling. Okay. If you treat it with sodium hydroxide, what you will get? You will get sodium phenoxide, O minus Na plus. Sodium phenoxide. Now if you treat it with H plus, you will get phenol. So benzene to phenol. Next, how you will convert phenol to anisole? Take phenol, treat it with sodium hydroxide. Phenol is acidic, so in presence of sodium hydroxide, you will get sodium phenoxide. Now if you treat this compound with CH3Br, removal of NaBr will take place. You will get OCH3, means this is anisole. Next conversion is nitrobenzene to phenol. Take nitrobenzene, reduce it with tin HCl. So NO2 will be reduced to NH2. This is very important conversion. Next, how you will get acetic acid to, this is methanamine. So you can see here 2 carbon atoms are there. Here only 1 carbon atom is there. So you have to do stepping down. How you will do? If you are having acid, you treat it with ammonia. So acid and base. So what you will get? Ammonium salt. If you heat this one, then removal of water will take place. From here H2, from here O. So removal of water will give acetamide. This is acetamide. Now if you treat this acetamide with sodium hypobromite, NaOBr, it is sodium hypobromite, bromite. So Hofmann-bromamide reaction will take place, and what you will get? CH3NH2. Stepping down will take place and you will get methanamine. So here stepping down reaction is taking place. Next is propanoic acid to acetic acid. What is the structure of propanoic acid? CH3, CH2, COOH. What is acetic acid? Acetic acid is CH3, COOH, ethanoic acid. Now see, here 3 carbon atoms are there, here 2 carbon atoms are there. So stepping down you have to do. In previous example we did already. So what we have to do? We have to treat it with ammonia. First we will get ammonium salt, CH3CH2COO minus NH4 plus. Then we have to heat it. Removal of water will give CH3CH2CO NH2 amide. Then you can treat it with bromine in presence of KOH. Hofmann-bromamide reaction, and stepping down will take place. You will get CH3CH2NH2. Now from here we have to prepare acetic acid. So what we can do here? This is primary amine. If you treat it with NaNO2, sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, means with nitrous acid, primary amine gives this alcohol. This is primary alcohol. So we have to prepare acid, carboxylic acid. So directly we can oxidize it with potassium dichromate in sulfuric acid medium. So what we will get? CH3COOH. Next conversion is benzoic acid to aniline. In short I have written benzoic acid to aniline. What is the structure of benzoic acid? And what is aniline? You know, in benzene ring NH2 group is there. So similarly you have to do like previous method, you have to treat it with ammonia. You have to heat it. So directly we can write this product CONH2. Benzamide. This is benzamide. Now here if you treat it with bromine KOH, Hofmann-bromamide reaction, what you will get? Descending will take place, stepping down will take place. We will get, in place of CONH2, we will get NH2, means aniline. Last conversion is phenol to benzaldehyde. Take phenol. You can heat it with zinc dust. Removal of zinc oxide will take place. By reduction, we will get benzene. Now what we have to do? Here another carbon atom we have to insert. So what we can do? Take benzene, treat it with chloromethane in presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction will take place. We will get toluene. Now if you treat it with chromyl chloride, CrO2, Cl2, you will get benzaldehyde. Here first you have to treat it with chromyl chloride and then you have to hydrolyze. You will get one complex, then you have to do hydrolysis, you will get aldehyde. This is benzaldehyde. This reaction is called Itard reaction. Today till this, thank you for watching.